Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create Wix product categories. Now firstly, open the Wix e-commerce website and log into your account. Once you have logged into your account, in which you can customize your website, now go to categories. Now once you're in the category section, go to add category. Once you're on this page, you can add your category's name here. I'm gonna name it Sale 1. You can also select your category's picture. I'm gonna select a few. Now just save it to your website. And this change is gonna appear on your website. And that's how you add a product category in your Wix e-commerce website. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe.